Good evening. Welcome to this special webinar. Special webinar in the sense, I would like to explain what I do basically because I received some DMs. Some people have made a DM for pine coding. Some people have made a DM for asking for some stock recommendations. Some people have made a DM for asking me their long-term portfolio, what to do, and all those questions. Okay. So what exactly I do? I worked in a financial institution and I worked for almost 15 years. Then I came out and it's almost 20 years of experience. 14 years I worked basically. So it's a 20 years of experience. In the financial institution, there are many methods or ways to make money, which are some are hidden, some are very well available. There are many people approach in the technical analysis. Out of those technical analysis, of course, there is a fundamental and there is a financial institution behavior is completely different. It's very hard to explain, but it's very different. So what is technical analysis that people many follow? Basically, a technical analysis is the one that you follow either as a support or resistance, supply or demand, indicator based. Suppose at the MACD, you say MACD has given a buy signal, MACD has given a sell signal, or some super trend, all those things. These are all called technical approaches. But before technical approach, the price changes, before price changes, there is a visible patterns. And those patterns, what we refer them as a wave patterns. What is wave pattern basically? What is wave analysis? It's like ripples of the ocean. When you see, there is a large ripples and then there are small ripples. Then there will be very small ripples, almost like you don't feel it. These ripples in the ocean, they repeat themselves. They repeat themselves. Do they repeat 100%? Not necessary. But they repeat. So this method, when people see repetition in the graphical representation, then they say, oh, it is a repetition. So where do we have such kind of repetition? Every single day, every single minute is waves in the water waves. That is the reason it is named as a wave analysis. Analysis in the sense where the ocean creates a waves, ocean creates a ripples, ocean creates a multi-level waves, and those waves can be identified by the fisherman, and the fisherman understands the gravity of those waves, and then he fishes and takes the fish to his home for bread and butter. He sell it, he makes some money out of it. So same thing, same philosophy has been applied in the stock market. That is the reason it is called as a wave analysis. All right. So you know what is wave analysis. Now in this wave analysis, there are many theories, many Wyckoff and all those theories comes. But to be frank with you, in today's market, no theory works 100% because of the algorithm and accelerated trading, automation. But there is only one method works, that is your method of entry, your method of protection of stop, your method of taking profit, your method of understanding the market in a clear manner. Even for us also sometimes it makes very, very, very unacceptable condition. So let's see. I train people. I was training people. I stopped it due to this major scams. What we saw is a major scams in the stock market. People started getting scammed, and not only they started getting scammed, they also being ripped off with huge money losses. Okay, so at some point in 2022, I said, let me stop this. Okay, because I felt it is scam, but it's a bigger, and many Indore, Hyderabad. There are many people who are using automation, and they are also scamming till date. The scam is on, but you can't help. It's a social. Okay, people fell for it. So let me tell you what I train. I train a people who understand uh, uh, the way they like. Suppose you like some indicator. You say, for example, you like moving average. I will train you the way you like. You like wave theory, I'll train you the way you like. But there is a condition. Sometimes you might not understand even though you like it. Sometimes you might not accept the terms or accept the rules of engagement even though you like it, because until now you have been developing your own self. Let's see, you are not 10 or 12-year old, you're almost 35, 40, 50, some are 60. So for such a successive years, you have been doing business, you have been very successful in other material. But when you come to stock market, somewhat you have been, you feel like you have been deceived. It's not a deception of the stock market, but it is you need a greater understanding how the market works. That's all. Okay. So don't be fooled by the people who says that they can double your money, because that is going on right now. Many bots in the sense, like in Twitter, I see around about 30 to 40 bots have been following me, and they are all scammers basically. They hack your data, they scam it, and everything they do. Hmm? They even ask you money. They freeze you digitally, and all those things are happening right now. Anyway, let me come back to this. Now, this is one of the best. This thing is this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and we are getting E. We might get a higher E, little slightly higher E. Now I'll tell you, some people say it is an ascending triangle or descending triangle. It is a triangle. Okay, that is the reason we have 5 waves here, 5 strokes here. Hmm? Because after this C, because of this C, I want this price to close below here only. I mean, at least it should gap up and start falling. Okay, the reverse failure from here, most of you might not accept me right now because of your previous experiences. It will drop like this only. From here it will drop like this to the new low, slightly, because it is index, so it can go to slightly deeper way. Then once this is done, we will have a reversal. Okay, we will have reversal, but it is the notable thing is that it is being contracting. The contracting triangle is being made, and ascending. Suppose if you consider the B and D, you can say ascending triangle or barrier triangle. People call it many names. I don't say that they should not call. They love what they call. They call this is as a barrier triangle, and this is an ascending triangle. It's okay. They can call. It's up to them. It doesn't matter. But this is happening in the
Market probably, I think tomorrow it will happen. It will gap down here, and I think on the 1st of November you may see a gap down, or you may see this is coming down before you make a final reversal. Then how the final reversal will be, how the final reversal will be, that means where we are looking in the final reversal. I am not going to disappoint you in this. The reversal will be in this way. See, whenever I'm showing you something, I show you the previous trend and I pick it up and tell you, okay, it is going in this way. But very frankly, this will be the case of going upside. Uh, you can say that our institutions are so lazy that they just pick up something old and they do the same. They keep the same algorithm to move the market. Yes, institutions are far lazier than you and me, my friends. Okay, so this is what I'm looking. Once when it hits here, you can see. You can broadly see here. Once and when it hits here, it will become square, and then then it will make some ending diagonal here, splash, and then go up. Okay, so these are the things you can expect in the market in the coming days. And for a bank nifty, someone, if you are following me on Twitter, I'm very sorry. 2 times I have been wronged. I mean, wronged in the sense, I know bank nifty, it is very deceptive, but 2 times my forecast didn't work. So I am very sorry for that. If you want to learn a genuine learning, it's not on a marketing technique, because I don't know softwares and other things. They sell so many softwares. I don't know. But if you want a genuine one, because AI is going to knock you off. If you want to protect yourself against the AI, you can't do anything, but you have to have a method to make the money in the market. You have to have a strategy that is based on manual entry and manual exit. Okay? AI is going to be very difficult for you in the future. All right then. Good luck.